Okay, this evening I need to make some holes in my instrument panel for my fuses, or my circuit breakers rather, and could use a step drill, but I have a little different method here. I'm using a wooden paddle bit that I had, and I just sharpened it a little bit. I took a small round file and filed it back, put a little bit relief on both sides, a little more relief on both sides, and then I took a number 40 drill bit and drilled a pilot hole in my center punch marks, as you can see right here. As you can see, I already did 3 holes and they came out really nice. They're the right size for my fuses that I'm putting in, or my circuit breakers rather, and it works pretty well. I have the piece, the instrument panel itself, secured down to the workbench with a piece of wood underneath it, and it's all clamped down so it won't move. The wood is good for the background because it'll keep the wood bit centered in the hole. So you can see again I have these pilot holes already drilled, and we'll go ahead and put this bit in a cordless drill, and I'm just using my 18-volt cordless drill on low speed. Tighten up the bit, and you can see the pilot hole here. We'll get started. Just go slowly, and it works kind of like a little milling machine actually. You see it's starting to cut. It's a nice, perfectly round hole. See the shavings coming off there. Don't be in too much of a hurry. It'll get through there. Aluminum being soft, the steel paddle bit does quite nicely. There you go, perfectly round hole. We'll do one more just to make sure you can see it wasn't a fluke. Got the pilot hole in there. We'll start again. Nice, perfect hole. There you have it. I would suggest practicing on a scrap piece, just get a feel for it, but it worked quite well. I've done quite a few holes like that. I did some holes on the other side over here with the with a little bigger bit for some of my switches, and worked quite well. Used a fly cutter to cut this one. Again, used the wood backing to keep the bit centered. So there's hopefully that helps. A little tip for